Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add a calendar month widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen touch and hold, then tap on widgets at the bottom. Next, expand out the calendar section, and in here touch and hold on the month widget and drag it out onto your home screen and let go. Now in here you can drag the bottom or the top handle to readjust the size of your calendar, and then tap on the back key to save the changes. Now this calendar month will show the whole month, and you can easily if you want to add in an event, you can tap on a date, a particular day. So let's say 24th of August, you can tap on that and then double tap, and this will allow you to quickly create a new calendar event. If you tap on that one there and double tap, it will show you the event for that day, and then you can tap on the add button to add in a new calendar event. And if you tap on the back key here, you can also touch and hold on the calendar and then tap on settings from the pop-up. In here you can change the background color, black or white. You can also choose to show or hide, show handwriting at the top here, and you can also change the transparency of the calendar. And you can also turn on or turn off match with dark mode, and then tap on the save button. And that is how you can change the calendar widget style. And so you can only draw or write using S Pen in this mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for my videos.